Hey guys, welcome back to Mike's Double Edge. Today we are trying Treet Platinum. I had somebody from my Instagram account pick these out. They actually have 10 blades in them, which is really cool. You get enough. So Treet Platinum Super Stainless Steel. So grab me a towel again. All right. So still using my King C Gillette. That's all I have still. So all right. Let's get that blade loaded up. Let's see what it looks like here. Hope y'all are having a good day today. It's cloudy here and they're calling for a 70% chance of storms. I think I'm like opening this the wrong way. Yep. 70% chance of storms today. So for us, that's a big chance. Ooh, I like this. And let me have just one, please. Just one. Just one. There we go. Treet Platinum. Gonna get that loaded in. I like the old school look they have. I like a lot of old school stuff. Oh, it's okay. It's like a wrapper within a wrapper. Yeah, I can already tell they're sharp. Cool. That's loaded in. Everything looks good. All right. Everything's scattered about. I didn't realize it was scattered about. All right. So I'm gonna wet my face. Face is wet. Still using gel. I think it got a little too thin that time, so I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay. Wipe my hands off. Any of you guys in Mississippi? You know, my wife and I are curious. There, we always feel like Southern people. I have Southern blood in my Southern blood in me. But we're in Iowa, and we've noticed just things ain't quite working out for us in Iowa, but we want to be in the South. So, and we've looked at all the southern states right now, and right now what sounds good for us, especially since we're Second Amendment people, is Mississippi. So if any of you are from Mississippi, let us know. Pretty nice. Kind of like these. Ah. Yeah. I like these. Alright. So that felt good. Maybe a little bit here I could do, but I'm going to go for a second pass. We're good. We're good. Alright. Yeah, I like these blades. In the words of that one person from Forge and Fire, they cut. So, let's go this way now. Let's go the wrong way down here. Which is why I also get irritated. You get a little red down there. That's alright. Don't worry guys, I'm barely just touching my skin. Some spots I missed, I hear it. Alright. I think that's good. Right here is a little irritated. Got a little blood right there. Probably went a little too close, a little too fast. Get out of my ear. What? Yeah, I'm gonna get it with that. That was my stomach. Don't worry, we don't have a lion in here. Alright. So that was, despite the little right there, but it's alright. Now, wipe that off. Put this on, because it needs it. put my lid back on that before I spill it wherever the lid went. There it is. Alright guys, that'll do it for now. Sorry there wasn't more to that, but working on it. I have $10. Sold something today. Sold my 5-pack of old 1990 NASCAR 50th anniversary pack. So yeah, working up to getting a brush and some shave soap. So we'll see. But anyhow, y'all have a good day and stay cool. Stay away from those tornadoes. But like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next shave. Bye.